data pre-processing of text. NLP is nothing but your text and voice. Okay, natural language processing. Advanced version has come, which is called NLU, natural language understanding. So NLU is the better version of NLP, which comprises of your the chatbots. Okay, how to answer the questions. So data pre-processing. First, you will get a normally text. You will get a paragraph. Here, one objective to keep in mind that machine can only understand the numeric numbers. Okay, nothing else machine will or can understand and give you, okay, the output with. So for this, our objective is to convert everything into a numeric. Okay, so we can build the model. In all our model, if you remember, we have seen, okay, the categorical values, yes or no, okay, educational column where graduate, postgraduate, undergraduate. So everything, these are the categorical columns because it contains alpha characters. So the machine cannot understand, so that's why we converted it into a 0, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, like this. So this is the objective. Machine can understand only the numbers. So whatever the data we have or given, before doing any processing, we need to or before building any model with the text data, we need to convert it to a numeric. Okay, that's the objective. From paragraph, what you can do, you can get the sentences. Okay, with the sentence tokenizer. We call it tokenize. Yesterday we have seen. Okay, tokenize. So one sentence you get, then the next is from sentence you can get the word. Okay, word tokenize. So now from your the paragraph, you have the word. Let me write a sentence here. Okay, same Ali is going to school. Let's assume it's a sentence of a paragraph. A paragraph is there. We have used the sentence tokenizer. We got the sentence. Now with the tokenize, word tokenize, what we will get? We will get one word is Ali. Okay. Second is. Okay. Third is going. Like this, the words will get it. Okay, from the sentence we have got the word. Now next is the fourth one is your stop word removal. Okay, stop word removal. So what is stop words? Normally the stop words are the words which will not contribute toward the model. These stop words, they will not contribute towards the model, will not give any value towards your model building. Okay, these are the stop words. They are not going to, will not give any value towards the model. Okay, so here in this sentence, the stop words are your is, okay, to, these two are your stop words. Normally the stop words are the, okay, is, to, of, like this. These are the stop words. Okay, so you need to remove this. So for this, no need to define anything. NLTK has a package called stop word removal. You just import it and pass your words. Then it will automatically remove the stop words. Now you have removed the stop words. What you are left with? You are left with, okay, the words Ali, okay, is removed, so it's not there. Then you are left with going. To is removed, so you are left with school. Okay. So after stop word removal, you are left with three words: Ali, going, school. Next is the fifth step is stemming or limitation. Okay, this is the fifth step. Stemming or LEMMA lemmatization. Okay, this is the fifth step. So what is lemmatization? With the lemmatization, you will get the root verb of the word and it will remove the tense. Okay. So for example, if you now you are left with three words: early, going, school. So if you see, the verb is attached to the words called going. So after doing the lemmatization, what you will get? You will get a value go. Okay, and early will also will be there. Okay, because it's a name, not verb. Go and school. School is a noun. Okay, so it will be there. Finally, you are left with these three words: early, go, school. Okay. Then these are the five data pre-processing steps. Then the sixth step, once you complete this, then comes to your word to vector. Word to vec. This is a package, word to vec or glove. You can use any of this, GLOVE. Okay. Glove. Okay, global vector. What these packages will do, word to vec, okay, or globe, they will convert these words to a specific vector. Okay, vector is nothing but a collection of numbers. So if you use these words, they are a very big libraries or packages. They have trained with lot of words. Okay, I think some 20 million words they have been trained of. Okay, you will directly get the, for each word you will get a vector. Okay, 1 2 4. Okay, for Ali, for go you may get 5 6, like this. Okay, and for school you may get 3 8 or 3 0 1, like this. So finally your objective is completed here. Okay, with the step number 6, you need to convert all your text to the numeric value. With word to vec and globe, you converted all your text to a number. These steps are called the data pre-processing steps for the NLP. From paragraph to sentence, sentence to word, word to stop word removal, stop word removal to stemming, okay, stemming to word to vec or globe. Text classification, real life, I have worked with a project. It's a big telephone network company which is present 50 or 60 countries. So we got a project from that company. The problem the company was facing, it has around 10,000 employees all over the world. To maintain such huge the employees day to day work, they have many supporting divisions. Supporting divisions in the sense admin, okay, IT, security, all this. So, and they have their internet portal. If employee is facing any issue, like she cannot able to log into the system, okay, IT issue, So for that, she needs to raise a ticket in the internet. Before building AI model, the first, once the ticket is raised, it has to be verified by a particular team. Okay, and that team will allocate the ticket to the particular department. If it is a security related issue like password issue, okay, or somebody is getting a phishing mail, so it's a security related issue. The first team will verify, and then they will send it to a particular department. With this, the problem is first, the issue resolution time, it was higher because a human interaction is needed. Then they have to maintain the first team in shifts, okay, because once it is night in India, it's day in USA and other parts. So this is the another thing. Okay, so human intervention so slow, then they had to spend more money, and the third one is error. Okay, because human intervention is involved, so there could be many times a human judgment error. Like if the issue has been raised for the security team, it is awarded to the IT team, okay, or the admin team, like this. Then again, once it is wrongly allocated, once the employee confirms or raised and raises another ticket, it has to come back again and it has to go to the particular department to get it, the issue getting resolved. They were dealing with this kind of situations and they were facing a lot of backlogs in that ticket clearance. They approached us. Somebody has to write, okay, I am unable to log into my system, or my password is expired, okay, or I'm getting this particular error message. So like this, they have to mention or describe with a screenshot and all. We have taken all the department name and the description, okay, we merged those two column, okay. Then we proceeded a text classification. Text classification is nothing what we have seen here. So these processes steps we followed. Okay, stop word removal, stemming, limitation, word to vec. With this, if you see, for each word we got a vector. After getting this vector, then we used LSTM. So basically, how it will take, it will classify with a particular description. If the model is, we need to train the model with lot of data. Okay, so we got around a data set of 10,000 rows. It's a huge data set. For the different allocations to different teams was there. Like if this is the description and issue raised, then it has to go to for the security team. If I face an issue in unable to log into system, I can write, hey, like I was trying to log into system, but I am getting this error. Could you please resolve? The same problem other person will face. He will write his in his own language. He may say, hi, I'm trying to log into my system as I need to complete my work. Okay, but my system doesn't allow me to log in. Could you please solve the issue? Okay, if you see the crux or the both the words are same, but you see the wordings are different. The crux is the same. Okay, so with this we built a text classification and finally able to present it to the customer, and the accuracy was very good. We got around 95% of accuracy, okay, with this, with some hyperparameter tuning and all. And with the model once deployed and they used it, they saved a lot of time and money. Okay, for them no need to retain the people in shifts. Okay, a model worked 24 bar 7 because we deployed into the cloud. The accuracy mainly, so no need of doing the duplicate works multiple times. So this is the text classification that we have worked with. It is the task of assigning a set of predefined categories to free text. So text classifiers can be used to organize, structure, and categorize pretty much anything. News articles can be categorized to politics, sports, entertainment, okay, based on the paragraphs. You can say based on the topics. This category means these news articles can be categorized to politics, sports, entertainment, business, education, all this. So detecting the news as fake or not, given a passage of news, you can do finally classify whether it's a fake or not. Finding whether the email is spam or valid. Remember, I have told you at the time of started with the supervised, unsupervised. There I have told you, even we can do the email classification, and Google has used it. Okay, it based on the words. If you get the words like you won a lottery, okay, kindly give your bank account, okay, or something like welcome to this games where you can win a such amount. So these words are, the model is trained like this. If the model sees these words, then it will put into a spam folder. The main thing for building a model is your data. We say the garbage in is the garbage out. If your data is not a neat data or a wrong data, your model will also work wrongly. Let's say we have an image with the dog, and so if we need to classify, simply we can create a cat dog classifier model and predict there is a dog in the given image. But the problem arises, we have both cat dog in a single image. Okay, that we have seen with our image classification. And here's the article. The article contain technology, sports, entertainment, all this. Okay, so we need to chunk the article or take the small piece of the article, then we have to train them. The text classification can be done in two ways. Okay, where a human will be classify the text, where the accuracy will be high, but is too time consuming and expensive. And I doubt sometimes the accuracy can be compromised because it's a human intervention. The human can do a mistake. Automatic, here we use machine learning, natural language processing, other advanced techniques to classify the text. The process is faster and efficient. We have many approaches to text classification or automatic based, rule based, machine learning, and hybrid. So what we can do with the text classification, sentiment analysis, we have discussed the Amazon, the product reviews and all, the Twitter, okay, some of the dining apps. If you visited a restaurant, they will ask you. Google will ask you if you have visited a place, what's the review of that place. So the model is trained. If you write some good words like "wow, wonderful for a place," okay, must visit. So it will positively classify. If you write some words like a nasty place, okay, total waste of time, so it will classify as the negative. Topic labeling, same. It's a multi-class classification in topic, because there the topic could be classified as politics, sports, okay, entertainment, business, education, all this. So multi-class, more than two classes. Language detection, process to classifying incoming text according to its language. Intent detection, detecting the intent from the customer conversation. So how they are blocking? Same. The model is trained with lot of data. If you use these words, then automatically it will classify. It's a head speech and it will try to block. Libraries, as I told you, scikit-learn, that's for the machine learning beginners and all. NLTK for the text classification. Spacey is a better version of NLTK. Okay, a toolkit, more minimal and straightforward approach than NLTK.